YouTube yan?
Oo, langan.
Bakit
Hindi. Sa camera. Okay. Hello guys, so I'm gonna mix my 2-star bout slime. And it's color pink and color yellow. So this is this is 5 pesos and so we're gonna mix. I don't know if it's sticky. Oh, it's not sticky. It's so hard. Oh, it's cool. And gonna mix the wag.
Yan.
Wow. I think this is neon color and it's clear. Oops. Wait. So we're gonna mix. I don't know what color it will be. I think orange.
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 Yellow, orange.
Hindi.
Okay.
So, I think it's orange. No, I think it's peach. Oh yeah, it's peach. It rips. Why this slime is so hard and it rips? Uy, asan yung 15 pesos ko?
Oh.
So it's turned into big slime. But it's so hard. Uy.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's hard. So I'm gonna upload next video 10 facts about me. Serious.
Hindi na narinig.
Pangit ang pagka-swirl ko. Grabe ang tigas niya guys. Dati napaka-sticky ito. Pero nagbago yung container. Naging hard. Bakit kaya?
Tapos naging hindi na po sticky.
Siguro ang dami nilagay na borax. Mamaya na. Blow niya, blow. Lago. So, it's not fun playing with this because it's not fluffy. Ipa-fluffy na lang namin para ma-stretch naman.
Huwag yung super fluffy yung nangyari sa akin na slime, diba?
Oh yeah. So while my cousin playing this, I'm gonna get the lotion. Ulagin mo muna habang katuwa ko. Okay. So this is my old lotion. And it's not expired.
It's Nivea.
So pokey. So this is I don't know what color it will be. So this is the
Slime.
final product of the color, and it turns peach. I like color peach, but I don't love. You must know 10 facts about me. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like, subscribe, share, turn my notification for shout out and comment if you done.